Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing fine. So today's lesson is about adding and subtracting mixed numbers in chapter 5, the second lesson. So adding and subtracting the mixed numbers. First, what does mean the mixed numbers? For example, the mixed numbers is combine the whole number and the fractions together. What kind of the fractions? I will explain. So for example, 4 and 2/5 is called mixed number. 4 is the whole number, whole number, and the fractions together, fraction. What kind of the fraction? The numerator is less than the denominator, okay? It's called the mixed numbers. Fraction, the numerator which is less than the denominator. These two ones together is called the mixed numbers, okay? It means whole number mixed with the fractions. Okay, if we have the mixed number, how to change to the fraction? Okay, if we have these two one, let's say 4 and 2/5. If we have these two one, how to change to the fraction? We studied this one in grade 5 by multiplying the whole number by the denominator. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 2, it's gonna be 22. It's gonna be 22 over, what's our denominator is 5. 22/5. This one is changing the mixed number to the fraction. If we have the fraction, how to change to the mixed number, like 18 over, let's say 4. 18/4, how to change to the mixed number? The top number is bigger than the bottom number, so we can write as a mixed number, okay? It means the whole number and the fraction. There is two ways. You can use the long division or you can use our mind to find the answer. First, let's use our mind to find the answer. Our denominator is 4, okay? The top number, the numerator is 18. So 4 times what number is exactly 18 or is very close to 18? Let's think. 4 times 4. 4 times 4, right? 4 times 4. Our denominator is 4, rewrite it. And what number multiplied by 4 is very close to 18? 4. So write down the answer next to the fraction. It's going to be the whole number. 4 times 4, 16. This one is 18. 16 to 18, two numbers left. So write down the remainder is up. It's going to be 4 and 2/18. Okay? So let's solve another example. 19 and 3. The top number is bigger than the bottom number. If it is bigger and is called, if the top number is bigger than the bottom numbers, we can write as a fraction. Our denominator is 3. 3 times what number is very close to 19? 3 times 7, 21. This is 19. It is bigger. So 3 times 6. Alright, 6 next to the fraction is going to be the whole number. 6 times 3, 18. This one is 19. How many numbers left? 1. And always do not forget, between the whole number and the fraction there is an operation which is addition. Do not forget this one. Okay, but the operation is invisible. So for example, we say that, let's say 5 and 22 out of, let's say 3. We say that the mixed number is the whole number and the fraction. But what kind of the fraction? Numerator is less than the denominator. We have to change this one to the mixed numbers. Okay, this one. But do not forget, we say that there is addition between the whole number and the fraction. Let's say 5 plus. Instead of this one, we can use our mind or you can use the long division. Let's use our mind, it's better. Our denominator is 3. Okay? 3 times what number is very close to 22? 3 times what number is very close to 22? 2. Let's say 7 times 3 is 21. Write 7 is gonna be the whole number next to the fraction. Okay, like the previous example I explained it. 7 times 3, 21. This is 22. How many numbers? 1. Plus at 5 plus 12 is 11, and 1 over 3. That's it. This one is about the mixed number, how to change to the fraction. And if we have the mixed number, how to change to the fraction, or if we have the fraction, how to change to the mixed number, like this one. This is the fraction to change the mixed numbers. Okay, now let's study how to find the sum or the difference, of the mixed numbers. For example, if the first example says find the sum or difference in simplest form. Find the sum or the difference in the simplest form. We know the sum, it means the answer of the addition. Difference is the answer of subtraction. Okay, so question 1. If we have the mixed number like 3 and 3 over 5 plus 4 and 6 out of 10, these two one, how can we add these two mixed numbers? First, try to make it the same denominator, the fractions, like we study in adding and subtracting the fractions. Try to make the same denominator. This is the addition. Okay, we cannot add or subtract the fraction if the denominators are not the same. Okay, so 5 by the process of the LCD, 5, 10, 15 and so on, 10, 20, right? So as we can see, 10 is the LCD. 1, 2 times 2 times 2 times 1 times 1. So it is going to be 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is gonna be 10, right? Plus 4 and 6 out of 10. As we can see, the denominators are the same. Now we're gonna plus the numerators. 3 plus 4, it's gonna be 7, and 12 out of 10. Okay, the question says write your answer in the simplest form. Can we simplify 12 out of 10? Yes, we can. Let's simplify. Divided by 2, divided by 2, because 2 times 6 12, 2 times 5 is 10, right? So it's going to be 7 and 6 out of 5. Look at this one, the fraction. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. We have to change to the mixed numbers, right? So 7, between this one is the addition, plus. So our denominator is 5. What number multiplied by 5 is very close to 6 or equals to 6? 1, right? 1 times 5 is 5. This one is 6. How many numbers left? 1. So it's gonna be 7 plus 1 is 8 and 1 over 5. That is the answer. If you will not write your answer in the simplest form, and if you will not change this one to the mixed number, you will not get the correct answer. Okay, so the second example, question 2, about subtraction. Let's say 8 and 2 over 3 minus 3 and 1 over 4. Okay, it's the same. Try to make it the same denominator. It doesn't matter if it's subtraction or addition. Okay, try to make the same denominators. So do not subtract or plus the whole number first. try to make the same denominator the fraction. 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. 4, 8, 12. So 12 is the LCD. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 times 4 times 3 times 3. Okay, so it's going to be 8, and 8 over 12 minus 3 and 3 over 12. Okay, now so look at this one. The denominator is 12, right? 8 minus 3, it's gonna be 5, and 8 minus 3, it's gonna be 5, the whole numbers. So 5 and 5 over 12. The question says simplest form. Can we simplify 5 over 12? There is no common factor, okay? We cannot simplify. It's written in the simplest form. And so even no need to change this one, or no need to use the long division to change to the mixed number, because the numerator is less than the denominator, right? Okay. The last example is about subtraction again. The last one is 6, 1 over 3 minus 2 and 7 over 9. Okay, this one. Again, if it is addition or subtraction, try to make the same denominator the fraction. 3, 6, 9, and so on. 9, 18, and so on. So 9 is the LCD, right? Multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 1, multiply by 1. So this one is gonna be 6, and 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, right? Minus 2, and the second one is gonna be 7 times 1 is 7, 9 times 1 is 9. Okay, so look at this one. Our denominator is 9, right? But first subtract the fraction, the denominator. Can we say 3 minus 7? 3 minus 7 we cannot, because this one is smaller than 7. So what do? We're gonna go to the whole number in the first mixed numbers. Take 1. This one is gonna be 5. Where is the 1? So instead of the 1, we're gonna plus these two numbers together, okay? 9 plus 3, it's gonna be 12, okay? Again, 3 minus 7 we cannot. Go to the whole number in the first mixed numbers. It's gonna be 5, and plus these two numbers, the fractions, it's gonna be 12. Now the denominators are the same. We say that 9. Now this one is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5, and the whole number is 5 minus 2, it's gonna be 3. Can we simplify this to 5 over 9? We cannot, because there is no common factor. And as we can see, the numerator is less than the denominator. We cannot use the long division. Leave it, okay? That will be the answer. That's it.